watch some crazy stuff, yo. And
hello YouTubers, this is Man Mountain Link. I'm in Dollar General store. Just came to get some cat food for my kitties. Wasn't planning on doing any shopping, but look at that. Now look at these prices I want to show you. Now you know why I'm taking them all. Never can tell what you're gonna find, people. And this is worth so much because apparently it's a limited edition. Alright, we're going back home. See, this is what I'm talking about. Right there. 251 sold at $20 a piece. And only 5 left. So if he can sell 251 of them, hopefully I can sell my 7. We are just leaving Dollar General store. Y'all out there in YouTube land, you need to remember that Dollar General started in Tennessee, so we have a lot of them. And when I mean a lot, I mean like one every 10 miles, a lot. So I'm literally driving 10 miles down the road to the next one. I'm going to check for more of these waffles and chicken flavored Pringles potato crisps and see if I can't find some more. I have some stuff in the back of the truck that I'd prefer not to get wet, but well, it's been wet before, so they won't like destroy it or anything. And these are limited edition cans. I'm not going to go to every Dollar General store despite the profit, because I don't like selling food, don't like selling anything with the expiration date. But since this is limited edition, a lot of this stuff will sell even after it expires. So anyway, we're going to let you go. The wind's blowing the truck all over the road. Don't want to end up in a ditch because I was trying to do a YouTube video. So we will holler at y'all when we get to the Dollar General store up here. I don't know if you can tell above or in front of us, but it looks like we're fixing to run into it big time. The stuff I do to find stuff to sell on eBay, I swear. Couple more miles. Whoa with the water. Alright. This could be a waste of time, or it could be a profitable venture. Wish me luck. Well, tell me Pringles doesn't know people collect different cans. But none of these are limited edition. None of them are chicken and waffles. Waste of time. Well, that's how it goes a lot. You find a product and you chase that product. That's what this is all about. Like, that's a PDQ order. That means they just get one pallet of them. They can't reorder it. They get what they get. Or I said pallet, I meant case. They get what they get. Once it's sold, it's gone. Limited edition. So what I could do, and if I needed the money, what I would do is drive from Dollar General store to Dollar General store to Dollar General store, from town to town, and buy up every single can I could find. But what we're going to do instead is go home, because I have lots of inventory, and I don't really need it, and I don't like food because it can expire. I noticed the people are wearing their mask. That's good. Didn't take but 6 months to convince them, but hey, I tend to see people a little slower than others. Not as bad as Alabama, but still. Alright, anyway, I appreciate you coming with me. This is Man Mountain Link, over and out.
Wear your damn mask. It ain't hard at all. Don't make me come find you.